Hello everybody, we're going to teach you how to share folder on Windows 11. So in order to be able to share folder on the network, you first need to be connected to each other on the same network. For example, I am now connected to wireless PMK, so the target system needs to be connected to the same wireless network, or if we are on the Ethernet, we need to be at the same network and two systems must be able to ping each other. So, for example, we have a folder, name it share folder, for example, right? We just simply right click on it, click on the properties, click on the sharing, share. So here we set anything, it doesn't really matter. You just tick this and tick this and apply. And the security here, we can say what users are able to see this. So for example, my Acer account, which is my main account on the system, is able to have access to the system. So if you want to add more users, for example, we want only specific people to see our folder. We just select them and uh, click OK, right? So in this case, we can also choose everyone from here. So anyone would have access to this share folder on the net. So here we can adjust also the level of the access which they have. So click on apply, OK, and done. The folder is shared. Now, how can we access this folder? We simply press Windows key. Let me write you here. Windows key plus R. We hold these two keys together, and the run, which is this one, is bumped up. We type in ncpa.cpl, enter, and here you find which network adapter you're connected to. In my case, this is the Wi-Fi, and here you need to know your exact IP address, which is here, right? If you want to specifically, statically give the system a specific IP, you need to add it here. In case you don't know how to give IP to systems, I'm going to make a video on that one too. But for now, you just consider you know how to give IP addresses. So we find our IP from here. This is our IP. In my case, and so for accessing the shared folder, we just simply open our computer, for example here, and we type slash slash and our IP address, right? So as you can see, it's opened. It took a little while for it to open. Sometimes it's like here, after the equations. It checks for the security accesses and authentications based on that. So here's our share folder. For example, I make a new folder here, a new text here, and I can also see it on this page. So what we do is we open that address from another PC, right? So I'll target PC. So imagine you have a net coffee and you want to give access to your clients on a specific folder, and your clients don't really have that knowledge of the computer. So you just map this. So to map this one on the system, on the target system, which we want to access the folders, we simply right click on it and say map network drive and finish, right? So in the target system, in my computer, there is a drive like path that we can just simply right click and get access. And so since I have put everyone's access available on this path on the network, it doesn't require me to put any credentials. So let's give it a security of we delete this, and we remove it. And so now only Acer administrator or system has access to this. So now if I want to get access to it, so you disconnect this. Now, okay, I'm Acer, right? So my account is Acer, so this won't work. So in here, I will delete Acer, right? Because that's me right now logged in. Delete this one. What? I'll make a video on that one too. I'm bored right now. Okay. I hope it works for you. Good luck.